back. So in this video, I'm going to do some live trades and show you how I trade my binary option, pocket option. It's very simple. We're going to be using simple price action to trade. Okay, I'm not going to rely heavy on indicators because I believe indicators have its issues. But most of these indicators, most of them are not actually profitable, to be honest. Okay, so you can see if you look at this, you discover that the market is making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. Okay, so now the last break of structure was here, right? This was the last break of structure. Okay, so if price breaks this, we can say this is a downtrend. Okay, so this market is making higher highs, so it could actually come to this other block here, right? Come here like this and then bounce like this, right? Okay, so just to know, but it just broke this swing right here. So but I'll consider this a bearish market if it breaks this swing here. Okay, so that will be a that. Alright, so the market direction is towards this. Let me click buy here. Now I entered for a buy here. One of the reasons why I entered for a buy is because we are this support here. Okay, and this is already an uptrend. So we believe that the buyers are going to step in. Okay. Now as you can see, buyers stepped in and took the market a bit higher when it tapped on this previous top here. Okay, so just only understanding uh, market structure and trading price action, you can be able to trade the financial market. If this comes a bit down, I might go for on that one again. All right, you can see it's trying to get to here. If it gets to this level here, this will be a very good selling point, but I will not sell. This is another support here, but I will not sell. Let's just see if you can get there. I think it has already sold already. I think it has already sold already. Well, yeah, it has already sold already. It kind of like touched it. So you can see this support here, support here, support here. Sorry, resistance, then support. So let's look for. I'm just looking to take 3 trades, and I'm done for today. Okay, if this market close below this, I will go for a sell. Why? Because this market has been trending. You watch, this market has been going down. You can see lower lows. Now, this was the previous break of structure. Okay, the highest you could say. Now, if assuming market made another break of structure here, I'm looking to buy. Okay, so I entered for a sell here. I entered for double sell. Why did I enter for double sell? Let's check this. Okay, let's check this. Why I entered for a double sell. Now, first of all, there seems to be this support level here. Okay, and this market has been making this like this. Okay, and you can see these three momentum candle here, right? And it broke this swing, so it's indicating that price is going to come down to the come down to the lower side. You can see just understanding basic price action, you'll be able to trade the financial market. I think I'm done for today. Okay, so okay, I'll see if I can see if I'll look for another trade to take. Oh, I went for a sell here. It was very now. Why do I go for a sell? Now this market has already been trending down. You can see, sorry. This market has been trending down, right? So it's going to take its supply from here. And if you watch closely, there seems to be a supply zone here. This is supply zone here. You can see market tapped on that supply zone, and I went in for the trade. Just understanding basic price action, you can see you will be able to trade the financial market. It's very simple. This was my close trades. Okay, you can see win. So just understanding basic price action, you'll be able to trade the financial market and make a lot of money. Okay, now this market is making higher highs. You can see last break of structure. So what I'm looking for, waiting for market to come to this level here. Sorry. Yeah. Now it's going to break this obviously, right? So if it comes down to this support here, then I'll enter for a buy. Doesn't want to close above. So if it comes down below this, I'll enter. Comes down below this, I'll enter for a buy. Let's come down a bit. Okay. There seems to be a demand here. There seems to be a demand here. And this is also a fair value gap. This is a fair value gap here. So if it comes to this demand, I'll enter for a buy again. You can see market is already making lower highs, sorry, higher highs, higher lows. Right? And this is a fair value gap, this is a demand. And once price got to that demand here, that's where nice. Very simple. Trading is not supposed to be that difficult. You can see all my wins. You can see all my wins, all my wins. Trading is not supposed to be that hard. Sorry. Okay, so what do we see here? You can see the market is making higher highs now. This I will say the market is going down. Okay, because now what I'm seeing here is this market has swept. You can see 1 2 3 market came here and swept this. So market is going down now. It broke this swing. It broke a swing here. Okay, broke a swing here. So the target will be here. This is the market will be targeting. And so I'll be looking for market to get here. The market gets here and this support here. Okay, if it goes up a bit, I'll enter. I'll just enter already. But if it goes up a bit, I'm going to enter again. If it goes up to this level, I'm going to enter more. There's a demand here. Oh, I didn't see that. Oh, shoot. There is no problem. If it goes up to this level, I'm going to enter for more. Yeah. Just looking at price action, you can be able to trade the financial markets. I think we'll lose this trade. I think this trade is a loss. There's a demand here. I didn't see that demand. Let's see, 5, 4, 3, 2. Oh, we lost this one. We lost this one. We lost that one. I see if I can enter for under save. This goes a bit higher here. I'll enter for a sell again. Enter for double trade. So let's see how it goes. I hope this goes in my favor. I know I'm taking a huge risk because there's a demand here. Right, but I believe this demand has already been mitigated. It's not really a strong demand, to be honest. Oh, okay, let's see how it goes. I might actually lose this trade. Oh, I think I'm going to lose this one. This has closed our losing streak. No problem. I'll look for another opportunity. You can see, this is what I was saying. You can see now the market is declining. I entered very late. I would have waited till this supply. But I was entering on this support here. There's no problem. Can't seem to find a good market. I can't enter this trade because I don't trust. I don't know where the market is tapping from or hitting from. So this market comes down to this. So I'm going to enter for a buy. Nice. Okay. So what do I see here? What I saw here was that you see these clusters here. This is a strong support. Maybe market will break it. I don't know. But there's nowhere the market is going to. I don't believe the market is going somewhere. And this is already an uptrend. It's already an uptrend. Okay, so we lost that one. Let's see how it goes. A few seconds left. If this breaks, I'm going to enter for a double sell or triple sell rather. Now this has broken, which now tells you that the market is about to go down, like extremely down. Okay, so enter 1, 2, 3, 4 to cover up for all my losses. Okay, so this is called a breakout of a zone. So this market has been ranging for a while. If you watch closely, market has been ranging and then it broke. When I entered was when it broke. Alright, and when immediately it broke, I had to enter because I know this market is going to come down. Immediately it breaks out of this. Right. So it was distributing here for a long period of time. So yeah. Okay, so yeah, I had 1, 2, 3, 4 losses and I made the 4 losses back. That's interesting. I think I'm done for today. Let's see. So guys, like, subscribe, comment what you notice about the video or you notice about my trading, and I'll see you guys on the next one.